Hi everyone. I am Anharitha from 3rd B. Tech Biotech. This is my assignment. And the topic is wastewater treatment. Wastewater comes from human household wastes from toilets, sinks, baths, wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is the process used to remove contaminants from wastewater and convert into an effluent that can be returned to water cycle. There are 3 stages of wastewater treatment. The are primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary treatment removes the material that will either float or readily settle out by gravity. Secondary treatment is the process of sewage treatment sequence removing dissolved and colloidal compounds measured as biochemical oxygen demand. Tertiary treatment is the final treatment cleaning process that improves wastewater quality before it reused, recycled or discharged to the environment. This treatment removes remaining inorganic compounds and substance such as nitrogen and phosphorus. There are the treatment steps are here. This is screening process shown here. Wastewater screening is the first unit operation in all wastewater treatment plants. Screen is the device used to retain solids found in the influent wastewater to the treatment plant. The main purpose of screening is to remove solid materials that could cause damage to other process equipment. This is the grit removal chamber. Grit chamber is the long, narrow or circular tank in the primary sewage treatment plant. Grit removal is the process used to remove sand, silt and grit from water. Grit removal can also be used to remove sand from river water intakes prior to processing for potable water, used in industrial applications to remove fine abrasives as well being used to remove grit entrained in sludge. Primary settling tanks are used to remove solids at wastewater treatment plants and are considered as fundamental part in their joint operation. Primary settling, also called primary sedimentation, that removes suspended solids and floating organic material called scum. It is desinged to reduce the velocity of wastewater flow, allowing heavier organic solids called raw sludge to settle. Aeration brings water and air in close contact in order to remove dissolved gas. Aeration is the process by which air circulated through mixed with or dissolved in a liquid or substance to oxidize dissolved metals, including iron, hydrogen sulfide and volatile organic chemicals. These secondary settling process used in activated sludge systems for treated water from biomass. Secondary settling is the final step of activated sludge-based biological wastewater treatment, and therefore essential unit of producing a clear effluent. The process in which solid particles in liquid or gaseous fluids are removed by the use of filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles. Filtration water flows through a filter designed to remove particle from within it. The filters are made of layers of sand and gravel, enhancing the effectiveness of disinfection. Chlorination, ozone, ultraviolet light and chloramines are primary methods of disinfections. Disinfection is the process designed to kill most microorganisms in wastewater, including all pathogenic organisms. There are 2 disinfection methods are used that are chemical and physical. Final treatment and disposal components provide the final removal of contaminants and distribute the effluent for dispersal back into the environment.